So I just got my Bobcat super high centered, trying to yard these logs down the hill. Got a chain hooked up. Gonna use the dually to pull this big guy out right here, and hopefully we could start working this thing free. Just out here working by myself today, so we're gonna have to make do with what we got. Let's see what we can make happen. Well, there's one out of the way. Looks like we got to pull about 3 more. Also out here working with a broken hand. So I pulled that one, and I'm gonna pull that one out from under it while I got the bucket holding it up right there. Ground's super slick this morning. We got a little bit of a frost, so I've been sliding all over. But hopefully I won't have to call for help. So I'm gonna start filming a bunch more of my daily life, kind of what I do for work and stuff. But as you can see, I get my Bobcat into some pretty shitty situations. We'll see if we just got it unstuck. I hope so, because I'm out here by myself. Just pulled this log out from under. And as you can see, slid down this hill up on top of these logs, and let's see if we can get it unstuck. Well, that's what we call a fail. we got her unstuck thanks to the help of my buddy there. Got all the logs stacked, all the brush stacked, and we're gonna go ahead and hook up to the gooseneck, get out of here. Got lots of other shit to do today. So thanks for watching. Catch you next